What's up guys, it's Anthony V. Welcome back to the AV Club. If you just do me a favor and push that subscribe button. Today we are going to go to Golden Gate Park and meet up with one of my buddies, and we are going to review the Metroboard X.
Yeah, we got a little car.
Alright guys, I am here with my buddy Kit. He is also part of Bay Area Eastgate out here in San Francisco. And we have both been riding boosted boards for a few years now, and he finally upgraded to the Metroboard X. And the Metroboard company has been around in the Eastgate scene for over a decade. They finally came out with a belt drive version of a board. It has no chains anymore, which those are kind of annoying, and they were really loud. But Kid has been riding this. He is actually the owner of the Metroboard X. I'm gonna let him talk about a little bit of the specs, how fast it goes, kind of the range. How much do you weigh?
I'm about 190.
Okay, so 190 pound rider. And then you also have to take into the fact that we have massive hills out here in San Francisco that have grades of over 25, 30 degree grades. So factor all that in as well.
Yeah, Metroboard X, honestly, I didn't even know if I was gonna purchase it just because it was so expensive. But it's definitely worth the price. In terms of specs, like I said before, whatever, 30 miles an hour. I roughly get 28, 29, just because I'm a heavier rider, and then with a backpack, I'm roughly over 200 pounds easy. Range is probably about 20 miles in San Francisco. That's bottoming it out in terms of the battery, just because we have hills. Great thing about it, it's belt driven, so definitely you have the torque going up the hills. You would get about 20 miles an hour going uphill, which is great in terms of bombing it the other direction. Integrated lights, love that. I mean, it's not super visible, but it makes the board look cool. Carbon fiber deck. Double kingpin trucks, it's good to turn on a dime, but it's a little bit iffy. You got to dial it in, especially if you're going at high speeds. Change out the bushings, I definitely recommend that. One thing I do love is the fact that it has auto belt tensioners. I don't know if you can get that later on, but they do have springs loaded in between the pulleys, the motor, and the actual wheels. And the fact that you can basically put your belt on in probably 5 minutes, it's already the right tension.
What are the size of the wheels that you have on this right
these are APEC, I think they're 107s.
Yeah. He also has 107s on this, so these are pretty much one of the biggest wheels that you can get. And he's already still getting 20 miles of range in this city, weighing 190 pounds with our insane hills. So that is actually pretty good. And I'm sure you guys are getting bored with all us talking, so we're gonna get on to some ride video. We're gonna...
Yeah, we got a little car. Yeah, what you go, we gonna snap. Yeah, the spot we gonna pass.